No. You can't do that. You have to ask for permission, buddy. I'm telling you, you're gonna get talking to, or,
I think,
or somebody's gonna talk to me and say, "Why is he videoing?" You can't just do that.
I think they kind of knew when I was over there.
Yeah, maybe they might have caught you. I'm just saying, without asking them.
Oh yeah, here we go. Woo!
Sounds good. Oh, he's gonna do a whole shot?
That's how we do it, folks. We don't drive vehicles like the way we supposed to. When we drive vehicles, we have a little fun. We don't drive normally, folks. Little fun. Thanks for watching and tuning in.